Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on a journey into the fascinating world of sustainable gardening. It is a journey of understanding, of learning to work in harmony with the natural world to create a garden that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also beneficial to our planet. Join me as we delve into the practicalities of creating an eco-friendly garden, a sanctuary for you and for the creatures that call it home.
In a world facing increasing environmental challenges, adopting sustainable practices has never been more crucial. Our gardens, however small, offer a haven for biodiversity and an opportunity to tread lightly on the earth. Sustainable gardening is about working with nature, not against it. It's about understanding the interconnectedness of all living things, from the tiniest insects in the soil to the birds that visit our feeders. By growing your own food, you gain a deeper connection with nature's rhythms and the satisfaction of nurturing life from seed to table. Sustainable gardening fosters a sense of community, a shared responsibility for the well-being of our planet.
At the heart of sustainable gardening lies the principle of working in harmony with nature's delicate balance. This means rejecting the use of harsh chemicals that can disrupt ecosystems and harm beneficial wildlife. Compost, that magical transformation of kitchen scraps and garden waste, becomes our most valuable tool, enriching the soil with essential nutrients. Pest control in a sustainable garden is not about eradication, but about balance. We encourage natural predators like ladybugs and lacewings, who feast on aphids and other garden pests, keeping their populations in check. Companion planting, an age-old practice, becomes our weapon against unwanted insects.
Chapter 3. The Art of Composting. Creating a compost pile is akin to building a miniature ecosystem, a bustling metropolis of microorganisms working tirelessly to break down organic matter into a rich, earthy treasure. Starting a compost pile is a simple endeavor. Choose a shady spot in your garden and create a heap of alternating layers of green materials like kitchen scraps and grass clippings, and brown materials like dried leaves and shredded paper. This balance of nitrogen-rich greens and carbon-rich browns provides the perfect environment for decomposition to occur. Turning the pile occasionally with a garden fork introduces oxygen, further fueling the decomposition process. Within a few months, you'll be rewarded with a dark, crumbly compost teeming with nutrients and beneficial microbes.
Chapter 4. Water is life conservation in the garden. Water, the lifeblood of our planet, is a precious resource that we must treat with respect, especially in our gardens. Rainwater harvesting is a simple yet effective way to collect nature's liquid gold. Install rain barrels beneath your downspouts to capture rainwater, which you can then use to irrigate your garden. Drip irrigation systems, with their slow and steady delivery of water directly to the roots of your plants, are another excellent way to conserve water. Mulching, the practice of covering the soil surface with organic matter like wood chips or straw, is another essential water conservation technique.
Chapter 5. A Garden in Harmony. Maintaining Sustainability. Creating a sustainable garden is not a one-time effort, but an ongoing journey of observation, adaptation, and nurturing. Crop rotation, an ancient agricultural practice, is essential for maintaining soil fertility and preventing the buildup of pests and diseases. By alternating the types of plants grown in each bed from year to year, we disrupt the life cycles of pests and allow the soil to replenish its nutrients. Companion planting, beyond its pest deterrent benefits, can also improve the growth and flavor of our crops. In the spring, we amend the soil with compost, giving our plants a nutritious boost for the growing season ahead.
As we reach the end of our journey into the world of sustainable gardening, I hope you feel inspired to embark on your own adventure in creating a garden that benefits both you and the planet. Until next time, happy gardening!